I spent no more than maybe 2 hours or hour 45 minutes in the gym. That's split into 2 training sessions. So but that was training once every fifth day.
Right.
With
So what was
three
your body
on, off
parts
one.
were you doing?
Well, I would mix push pull. Push meaning chest, pull meaning biceps. That would be, for example, that would be Monday. Then of course abs and calves with that. Tuesday would be legs, quads, and hams. Wednesday would be back, push, shoulders. Back, pull, shoulders, push, calves, abs. The fourth day would be off.
Right.
Then I begin the cycle again. So the 3 on off 1 was the best training program. There was enough training frequency to develop quality for the physique. At the same time, enough time to recover for the next workout.
Right.
Now you see guys that are training one body part a day. And as you see, the physiques is not as complete as they were during that era. You see guys with much smaller calves, you can't train your calves. I talked to a lot of guys at the show. You meet them, say, okay, let me take a look at this calf. That's always the indication of how far you're gonna go. And so, well, I gotta work on it a little bit. How many days are you training? Once or twice? You can't train your calves once or twice. It's a stubborn muscle. So these are kind of programs we see out there, kind of systems that's all messed up. And they're using too much weight and they're giving too much stress to a particular muscle group at a long period of time. As far as in the gym, like an hour, it doesn't make sense.